Well, it may not look like it out here, but grilling season is just getting started here in the Northeast, even though the trees aren't budding. So, how can you get through this grilling season, making sure that you get the best, perfect, juicy results off your grill? Well, here's my 3 quick tips for that. Number one, make sure you start off with a clean grill. Try saying that one 3 times fast. Start with a clean grill. Give it a good beginning season scrub down, and then every time you go ahead and use it, just make sure it's free of debris and that it's nice and oiled before you put any of your meats on it. Number two is don't overcook things. Now, a lot of you know, like chicken should be 160 degrees, but it shouldn't be 160 degrees when you take it off the grill. It should be 160 degrees when you eat it. So same thing with your steak, same thing with your chops. About 5 to 7 degrees before ideal temperature, that's the time to take it off the grill, cover it, let it rest, and that carryover cooking or carryover heat will actually bring it up to temperature. But just make sure it's the right temperature before you go ahead and eat it. And that's my third tip, is get your hands on a really good instant read meat thermometer. They are worth their weight in gold and will give you perfect results every time. I'll put a link to you below for my favorite. Have a great day, and here's to great grilling and big juicy burgers coming your way.